What's going on, YouTube? Me and my pops picked up this, what year is this? 2010? Yeah. 2010 Subaru WRX. I honestly think we got the cheapest one. We paid, I think, $1,300 out the door. What we know about it is it supposedly has a bad clutch, but we're not too sure yet. So we're gonna jumpstart this because it's been sitting in our driveway for about 7 months. And it's full of trash, and we're gonna resurrect this bad boy. His dad, we're gonna put in a battery, and we're gonna try to bring this to my dad's house because that's where we're gonna drop the transmission. See how little it is?
Should have tried to take this out beforehand.
Yeah, I know. I thought no, this isn't it.
Oh, we got
it's 24R, dude.
We got?
That's the little one. Yeah, dude, but I can't see.
We want a skinny one.
That is a very little battery, though.
Give me the statue.
Yeah. Yeah, this little thing has everything. Everything out, but I wonder how if we have to buy a new tune, because it seems like this was tuned by Cobb.
Yeah,
and you can see where the tune was, but the guy took it out. Yep, there we go. Oh, what do you need, a screw?
Need maybe some vice grips. It might hold, who knows? We'll see.
Well, I mean, you only live down the street. Well, shouldn't you put that on so it doesn't slide around?
No, it ain't going nowhere.
All right. Oh,
back here is important?
Nothing. All this is trash that's in there. She lives. Finally. Ooh. It's been a minute since it started. As you can tell, this one got a nice pipe on it. Probably like 5 minutes away from me. We're going to try to see if it even drives, or we're going to have to put it on the trailer. Hopefully it drives, because I don't want to do all that. My dad lives on a busy street. This shit is super loud, dude. I like the white lights, the LEDs. Yeah, but she runs good. I don't know if you guys can see. I kind of scraped it off a little bit. It says no clutch. They're saying that the clutch is shot, but it does make a noise that we're not too sure about. You'll hear it soon when my dad tries to drive it down the street. Oh, so we're not going to throw it on the trailer? No. No? All right.
Well, if it drives, we're just going to go from here.
Okay.
If it doesn't drive, then...
Yeah, look at the mess that's in here. But get it running first and then make it look pretty. I like that body kit that they got for this thing. If this car starts to run straight, I want to do all that. All right, see if it runs. Well, don't drive. Drive up and down the street first. Oh, it has no plate. All right. Again, he's only 5 minutes away. Turn on the lights. Sheesh. All right, so there's this noise that it's making when you try to engage it. See if it makes the noise. Yeah, you're good. Oh no, it engages. Oh, you hear that noise? It moves. All right, hold on, let me get in the truck. All right, we're just going for it. No test drive needed. All right, the good old Tundra. That's my baby right there, the Sequoia. Cause I got a family, so if you can't have the Tundra, you get the Sequoia. There he goes. It moves. Oh shit, that sounds crazy. I don't think it's going anywhere. What happened?
Popping out of gear. Hold on.
Hold on, let me move.
No, stay right there. Stay right there.
I got somebody coming.
Hold on. See if I can get it.
Damn, that shit sounds crazy. Nope. And we're just gonna hit it with a tow strap. All right, it's a little dark now, but got it here. Rope from Walmart did his job. Oh, so we're trying to reverse it into the driveway. Oh. Oh. There we go. Damn, that shit sounds crazy. Keep going. You hear the turbo. There you go. Yep, keep it going. Yeah, that's good. We got it. Is this thing still recording? So we got it in. That's the issue with it. I don't know if we're gonna record too much in this video, so this is just an introduction of the WRX that we got. We're gonna fix the tranny, clean it out. If this thing runs mint, I want to do a wide body, throw some rims on it, and get it ready for the summer. So like and subscribe, comment if you got a Subi, let us know what we should do to this thing, and catch you in the next video.